What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Max, and today we are taking a look at another viewer's car. This is Basti's BMW M140i X-Drive, and of course it is not stock. Now, we've done a lot of these M140i's over the years, and you know, there have been cars ranging from completely stock to like 650-ish horsepower. These cars are just amazing. The platform is amazing. The engine, the B58, is glorious. It does need a little bit of a suspension tweak because stock suspension is not the best. But other than that, it is an amazing car, and well, the potential is just enormous. So today I'm going to show you around this particular one, which, spoiler alert, is very, very good. I'll show you a couple of the mods, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. We're losing light, so we're going to hurry up. It's 4:30, but sun is setting at 5 now in winter, so it's quite early. Anyway, I don't know why I'm surprised about that. It happens every year, but here we go. So we've got a lovely blue M140i with a very cool zero fucks given sticker. Love that. I love zero fucks given cars because normally they are the most fun. Black splitter there at the front, black logo as well here. A little bit of an angry look for the headlights. We got the stock wheels with black logos and the stock brakes behind that. I do think Basti has upgrade brake pads. We've got Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. I remember those from our M135i. Great tire in the summer, not so great in these conditions because, you know, they need some heat in them to work. Nonetheless, we've got an X-Drive, so it should be able to put the power down. This is a 225 on an 18-inch wheel. We've got KW V1 suspension, carbon mirror cap there, and at the rear an NGM custom exhaust, which is very loud. And well, you've seen a million videos of these cars on our channel, so let's just get to the business end. And I've driven a million times. I don't know why I'm just doing that once. Need to do that twice. So we've got the B58 glorious engine with a 55 parts intake. We've got an upgrade high pressure fuel pump, a different downpipe, an ECU tune, a TCU tune, XHP stage 3 software for the gearbox, which is great. An ECU tune, of course, and we've got a turbo systems stage 2 turbo upgrade. So it now has 600 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque, which is a lot in this little hatchback. It is an absolute weapon. It is also, I think, the perfect setup if you want to daily drive it. Basti daily drives this car, and I have to say, it's still really pretty dailyable. This apparently it's quite a durable setup. So yeah, I like that. Let's have a look at the interior. We've got a lovely steering wheel. Love this nice thin rim and the big pedals behind that in carbon fiber. Little carbon trim here as well, and then some different trim on the dash. And it also has retrofitted ambient lighting on the doors as well. I quite like that. That doesn't even look that bad. I quite like that. So yeah, we've got the great iDrive and of course the ZF 8-speed gearbox. So let's go to Sport Plus, start it up. Wow, that's actually... okay. So that's, yeah, valve is open. It's got an exhaust valve there linked to the driving modes, and it is quite loud in Sport Plus. All right, so here we go. Let's have a little drive in this very quick M140i. So, yeah, as you can hear, it is pretty damn loud, but you also need a different exhaust, of course, if you have an upgrade turbo. Big bangs as well. Oh man. These upgrade turbo B58s are so crazy. It is ridiculous. With relatively small modifications, you know, relatively easy mods, you get such a beast of a car. I do like that, even though, you know, it's very loud, it's not, this is the only like bang or pop or you get. It's not like this crazy pops and bangs tune, which I really like. Oh, but it is loud. So what happens if you go back to comfort mode? Since Basti dailies this, valve closed, just in drive. Oh my god. Holy moly, that is insane. Wow, that is insane. That is really good. Also with some revs. Wow, that's very impressive. So you have an unbelievably wide scope of use, right? It's super comfortable, it's quiet. It's just a regular M140i, and then you go to Sport Plus, gearbox, manual. Wow. Actually, that is very impressive. I'm very impressed with this car. They've shown some great restraint as well when it comes to the sound. So no crazy pops and bangs tune, as I said. Just this. That's it, and then. Oh, you put your foot down, and it absolutely leaves. It is seriously quick. Wow, that is very good. Suspension is also definitely better than stock. It's you have a little bit more control. It responds a bit better to your inputs. Jeez. This is honestly this is one of the best M140i builds we've driven. How this car feels, you know, in Sport Plus mode is very, very impressive. Then you turn everything down in comfort, it just quiets right down. But also I don't feel any weird hiccups or anything like that. It's just very smooth. It's a very good tune. All right, on to the Autobahn. Oh, jeez. That is very quick. Wow, 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 what a car, Basti. Oh, in 6th gear. The way that just picked up is very good. So we also measured 100 to 200, of course, and we did 639, which is very quick. That is just seriously impressive. But even more impressive than that, I mean, that is very, very impressive, but even more impressive is just the way it runs, the way it feels, the way it's just, it's doing it like it's nothing. Oh wow, very quick shifts as well, of course, with that XHP stage 3. That is also just an absolute must-have. So here we go, little space. We do have, you know, almost stock brakes, so I have to keep that in mind. But look at the way this thing gathers speed. Oh, that's ridiculous. So Basti's had the car for 4 years, and I think the last 5,000 kilometers he's had this setup. But man oh man. Of course, we also drove that 500 horsepower M140i recently, which had some good things going for it. It was probably the best driving M140i, but it just went a bit too far with other stuff. This combined with the suspension of that previous M140i would be just a perfect match. And the brakes as well. Because Basti actually did 332 on the speedo with this car. I mean, that is hella quick. In a 1 series, that is properly impressive. So. Oh. Also really like the sound. Wow, that is quick. That's a 6.7. That's 270. An absolute weapon, as I said. So here we go, little space. Don't know what speed that was. Brakes actually hold up pretty well, I have to say. I was expecting them to start, you know, heating up and vibrating there, but that was not bad. It's pretty stable still at these speeds. That's 300, not bad. Wow, wow, wow. What a car! What an awesome car. Basti, thank you so much for letting us have a go. I really appreciate it. And I mean, 332 in a 1 series, you're a legend. Thanks for watching our videos all these years. I think it's really cool that you've been watching for so long, and now you get to watch your own car on our channel. I think that is just the coolest. So thanks so much for bringing it to us. I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. This has to be one of the best M140i's we've had on our channel, so I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video, this playlist, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.